shops, all kinds of cool stuff. Checking out Guangzhou, checking out the city, checking out the shops, checking out the streets. Oh, oh, Guangzhou, oh, Guangzhou, oh,
We're gonna start in this. We're in Yongqingfang. We're gonna be going down these kind of crowded, cool little alleys everywhere. But we do have this nice, beautiful church right here, temple, shrine, temple, and then you can also see the top up there as well. And we're gonna put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Guangzhou. Okay, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And we're gonna be. Let's just get you there as if you're there yourself. Come and join me. Yep, so we're gonna, yeah, it's funny. I was trying to find a good starting spot to explore this area, so I just chose this spot. But actually, as soon as I stopped, kind of a group of people came around and also did photographs too. But anyways, check out, these are bananas right here. But this is kind of a trendy, are those real bananas? I think those are actually real bananas. Huh. It's actually banana trees. So this whole area up here is kind of a major tourist area, as you can see already. So some people are going into the temple here. There's a bridge over there. We're gonna just keep on meandering about because there's just so much stuff. You can see this too. But we're gonna stroll. So here's the Cantonese Opera Art Museum, and then Bruce Lee's ancestor home. His father was an opera singer. Little red bridge that goes over that way. There's kind of stuff in every direction, so we're gonna choose this direction. Yeah, so you can kind of feel like this is there's like Lingnan style architecture in this area too, like a lot of history in here, and then you can tell it developed into you know, the whole city of Guangzhou is all around it now. So we're going to meander about in here. You got the waterfront to the left. You got lots of stores. You just kind of see. So we could actually meander into these little alleys, like down that way as well. Jin Star. Huh. Let me just kind of capture this water real quick. So if we keep following along, you're not going to get all the little alleys that I want to show you. So I'm going to get into the little alleys. That's kind of cool right there. Dragon. Okay, so that will meander down near the river, and then this area down here, we'll get into these little alleys, which is what I want to do. So now we're into the Lingnan style architecture, all little alleys. And when we go to the left, it's be filled with all these cool little shops everywhere. Looks like some of the lights are coming on already. Cantonese opera. Okay, so we're gonna get right into all the mess of people everywhere. We might end up, there's a Domino's. Ending Road is on the other side of this Domino's. I know because I was just filming and I was using this as a reference point. Okay. There's kind of cool stuff everywhere. There's so much I don't even know where to begin. Ending Road is directly that way. They're all filming this space here. If I can go down this way, I will. It's a dead end. Let me just kind of show you Ending Road real quick. So this is kind of the main street in here with all these arcade covered streets that go all the way down. And it goes all the way ending and it goes into another pedestrian street as well. But I'm just using it as a reference because I want to let you see all that's around here. And it looks like we're going to go back to where that river is at, but you did get to see a little bit more of the inland. Okay. Let me just see if there's live space. Live space usually means music, live music. They say like live bar, stuff like that. It's like a music bar. You got live music. There's a little bar right on the waterfront. It's nice in there. You can sit outside. Okay, so we're gonna meander down this way. Got the Vini Bazaar Bar. Okay, little cafe right there. And then this one looks like this restaurant right here, Live In Fast Food. That one actually is connected to the waterfront, so you can actually see the water at that spot. It's a club right there. Cookie jar. Some shops here. A lot of cities in China, I'll see a lot of like streamers, like in Changsha, Chongqing, all kinds of places. I was just thinking, I haven't really seen that in Guangzhou. I'm sure it's here, but I don't know where they stream at. But they'll do like streaming where they're doing like battles and all kinds of cool stuff. That goes to the waterfront. It's kind of a cool image of the father and his daughter right there. Really cool image. And then there's, I think they do little boat rides all the way down. Really cool image. Let's go down this way. Yongqingfang style architecture straight ahead. All kinds of stuff in here. It looks like there's a museum. People are lining up for something over there. Let's see what that is. I don't know what that is. They're lining up. Maybe there's a tour group. Look like a similar demographic of older people with the same haircut style. Okay, so that goes up into the ending street. Then this just keeps on going down. Let's see what else we got in here. These are also called the historic blocks. A lot of tourists here. Kind of a major tourist attraction, so I imagine if you were to live here, but it looks like people do live in this area. So I can see some residential way down there. So people would actually live and walk to here. But I imagine the rents would be pretty high. Unless they own the property already. DJI does like the kind of cameras that I have. I have a GoPro, but that's a DJI one. It's a competitor. Okay, let's see what we can see here. It looks like we're going to be going this way. I want to go where all the people are going. And we're already at 9:51. So what we're going to be doing is walking back towards Enning Street. And then this is going to lead into a pedestrian street later. And that's going to be my next video. And it should be perfect with the evening. So we're going to meander that way right now. Oh, this is the name of the street right here. Yongqingfang. Yongqingfang tourist area. So we were just in Yongqingfang tourist area. And we're going to keep the camera on a little bit longer so you can get some context of a contrast. And now we're on a street called Enning Street. Enning Street is kind of marked with all these arcade buildings. So we're just going to go down a little bit, and then I'm going to look for more of the Yongqingfang in roads. Hello, thank you. Actually, in my other video I did go there already. Okay, so we're getting to yeah, so this is all Enning Street all the way down. I'm just going to go to the next road and look into it, into the left. Hello. Hello. And then we're going to come to an ending. People are pretty friendly here. So you got an idea to see Yongqingfang tourist area. Now we're on something called Enning Road. Some information about it, Canton Opera, street sign. And then it looks like it's going to come to an ending spot right here. Okay. So yeah, I think this kind of marks the end of that whole community there. So yeah, that's all Yongqingfang. All down that way. So we're gonna end it. So it's an Enning Road. So hope you liked it. We'll just end it on that image right there.